from 5 AM. There's about 5 or 6 songs. 6 AM and everyone's getting breakfast. School's over there. This is where I get my lunch, and yeah, it all starts at 5 AM. Check this out, 5 AM they do, I don't know what this thing is with the fan, and there's songs about Ho Chi Minh and martial songs, and then they play volleyball. They play volleyball like all the time. Well, it's a type of volleyball, but everyone's super friendly. They invited me to play volleyball the other day. Usually I'm just too busy. Anyway, got my salad roll. Now I've got to get back, get dressed and go for a walk and get picked up by Jeffrey, the construction manager. Actually no, the project manager. And when we have discussions about all the build for an hour in the morning and an hour in the evening. Lots of time to discuss a lot of things. Check out this. I push this up. Look at that one down there. Magic, people. That's how I've used myself after getting this cranking in my ears for 8 hours a day. There's a compression post. It's built like a tank. They've got to make sure that they weld all around there, because they're not going to have access to it once that the bottom of the compression post goes on. Incidentally, we're not having shell plate on the inside. We're having honeycomb aluminium to keep the weight down. But out the back, I think we're having shell plate. Looks like they've erred on the side of caution and they've taken the strong backs off the dagger board housing. That's not their fault. That's because we changed the design with the sliders and we put one in the... Oh, yep, sorry. So we have to slide them in here and then bring them around. It would have been so much easier to pop these in before the jack, but we can't do that now. The strong backs will go on as soon as we place them. Oh, there we go. I thought he was looking up at me, but he's got his helmet tilted up. Thought, hey, this guy's got an attitude. Just staring at me. Well, if you look closely, it's the top of his head staring at me. You don't want to get into a fight with the workers, people. I piss them off enough with this camera dangling just above their head, you know, when they're welding or on the side. They turn around, they go, oh, what the? Anyway, but they're all good natured, they're all good about it. And that's what I'm here for, I'm here to fill the bill. Exciting stuff, it's really coming along in the last few weeks. So basically, everything around the dagger board housing has to be welded now, because as soon as it goes in, they're not going to have access to these spaces, so they've got to get that done now. A lot of my boat actually hasn't got full welds just yet. It's just all preparatory tack. I mean, a lot is also welded, but a lot is a long weld. Yeah, he's got to do the whole length. I'm just filming everyone doing their job, and out of the corner of my eye I saw this helmet and I went, I'll just go film this guy. Nothing but quality. We're just figuring out the best way to support the compression post. We need to share it over a greater area. It's not so important, I mean it is important, but we're tying it into this bulkhead here. So it should triangulate everything nicely. We'll have this huge bulkhead, we'll have also another part, some brace or wedge on the other side. This is really, really strong now. And it'll be shared all the way fore and aft and sideways too. So I'm happy. When I saw them riding that bit, I thought, Jesus, hang on, we need to have a look at this again. I was just about to call Jeffrey and Mr. Strong, and voila, they appeared. All I have to do is think about it, and they come. Again, they're just dremeling a bit off just to make it fit. Oh my ears. Oh, thank you. Some guys opening the door. It's bloody hot. Makes a huge difference. very exciting. I've got Jagger boards now. Well, one. I'm still calling for crew, people. If you want to look at the criteria, go to episode 20. It's all there, but basically, this is what I'm looking for. And make sure you accompany your video with the following information in bullet point form. No flowery language or prose. Please, no Shakespeare. I do not have the time.
You're probably sitting on your couch right now.
No, don't have a couch. Don't have time to sit on a couch. Let's move on.
Looking at your phone.
No, probably editing.
And you've been smoking the finest herb known to man.
No, don't smoke, don't do drugs. Let's move on.
Feels like the damn Sahara Desert is blowing around in your mouth. You got that cotton mouth, don't you?
No, don't eat cotton.
You're probably also realizing right about now.
I'm certainly realising something. Let's move forward.
It's the munchies. It's got you.
Let's move forward and get to something that's worthwhile.
Please like, share, and subscribe.
There we go, people. That was worthwhile.
Nothing but quality.
Crew applicant number 4.
Hi Plucky, bonjour. My name's Sebastien, and I'm answering your crew call.
Légionnaire!
My weird eye today is because my daughter, my 13 years old daughter, decided to poke me in the eye. I'm 46 years old. I'm born in Quebec, the French nation, part of Canada. So, je parle français, and I speak English, and I'm po d'italiano. I have 2 amazing teenagers, 13 and 16, and a wonderful and lovely wife. We're back from around the world sabbatical. We were away for 2 years. The first year we traveled around the world across 12 different countries. This was during the second year of the COVID pandemic. And after a year, we settled down in Italy for a year and a half because the world closed again thanks to Omicron. And now for the past 6 months, we're back in Montreal. The kids wanted to go back to school in French, and we were out of money. And so we're starting over. I love to learn. I have a background that is in filmmaking, visual effects, so I'm more of a behind the camera person than in front of the camera. But I can be fun too in front of a camera if you know, depending on the situation. I'm a hard worker. I'm used to work with, you know, huge crews on film sets and also on, you know, big teams. When it comes to some objective, regardless it's mine or someone else's, I love to work in a team and bringing in my knowledge and my experience to solve problems. I like to solve problems. On the other side, I tend to forget about myself, and it accumulates some frustrations, and then I shut down and just like become mute because, you know, that's the sign that I need some rest and then I'll reconcentrate on myself. I can be impatient when I'm tired. I don't like to put on white gloves. I'll be gentle but really direct. Your project is something that resonates with me, so I don't know if my video will resonate with you to maybe continue the conversation, but I hope so. And regardless, I'll continue following your projects, and then maybe we chat. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, Sebastian. Top stuff, people. Put it in the comments. What do you reckon? I think he's a top bloke.